And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year. Let me show the pattern adjustment layer. This offers another way to add patterns. You activate it, it's going to fill the entire canvas. You can adjust the angle. You can left click drag to adjust the center position. There's a little bit of a delay though. And there's the scaling for zooming in and out. And we had a drop down on the left. You can pick the pattern. It's only going to give you the ones that are installed. By default, you should have trees, grass, water. This neon, I've got it installed in an earlier tutorial. Well, let me show you how you can add a new one. You can do that right here under the gear icon, import patterns, and above there are the default ones. So trees, grass, water. If you want to import one, for example, go to brush easy. There should be 3 ones. Let me use this one, a Halloween inspired pattern. Could be that some commercial stuff here, some ads are popping up, but once it's downloaded, it's a zip folder. So you have to extract it. Once we've got it extracted, you will find this FX icon right here, and this is what you need to install. We'll go back to Photoshop, choose import, then find the folder where you've put it. I did so in my downloads folder, and here's the FX pattern icon. Just double click on it, and within a second it should be installed. And now we can pick that here. Just left click on it and you can see the effect applied in real time. Once you've got what you want, just confirm the OK, and you can always change it by double clicking on this pattern icon in the layers menu. I'm going to link to the pattern set that I've used here, this Halloween pattern, but in general you will find a lot of free options on Brush Easy. Just be careful with the license. If you want to use a free one, make sure that it's free for personal and commercial use if that's needed for your project. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.